Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer and I'd love it if you stuck around to subscribe. We do a giveaway every 100 subscribers here on my channel. We're currently on the road to 500, which is just awesome. So today, you already know from the title, we're gonna do a transformation. My videos have been kind of whack, I'm not even gonna lie to you. We've been struggling here. For those of you that don't know, James was gone for almost 3 weeks. He got back, and I'm not saying once you've been together for so long, it's super weird not having him in the house. So this entire past week he's been home, and I'm like, hi, you're here, and like I'm so excited. So I haven't wanted to film, I haven't wanted to vlog, because when I vlog, James has to put a shirt on, and like it's just, we've just been hanging out. So I mentioned in my last video, because I skipped a video because I'm a piece of shit, I mentioned in my last video that I'm going to do better, and it just so happens that while I was editing that video, because I haven't really been editing a ton, my videos have been super different in my opinion than what I would normally put up. While I was editing that though, I was just like, I miss this. I miss editing. I miss filming. I miss getting a gnarly ass idea in my head and just putting it out there and trying it. And my makeup videos almost never go how I want them to, but I was just super excited, and because of that I feel completely reinvigorated, and I want to film everything. Everything. Like yesterday I was cooking dinner and I was like, you know what, I should be vlogging this. This is a dope ass dinner. Or like I was scrubbing my bathroom, the bathroom over there that all the guests use. I was scrubbing that sumbitch so hard that I broke my toilet seat. That's on having an OCD mother. Anywho, and I was like, why am I not filming this? Man, I haven't done a cleaning video in months, it feels like. So I am so reinvigorated. I want to film everything. I feel like I'm back. I feel like we're doing this, and I am excited. So if you want to see me go from this to this, how we feeling? You can, stick around. I hope that transition went okay. In my head, that worked excellently. I don't know how it's actually gonna go though. So today, I want to do a really pretty pink and blue look. And I want to do a really pretty pink and blue look for a specific reason. I can't tell you yet. So I'm going to take the ColourPop Fair Double Zero concealer. How you doing? Like I always do. And I have no idea what kind of makeup look I want to do. I just know I want pink and blue, damn it. So the palettes that I go ahead and lay out a few palettes that I think I'm going to be using. And I have the ColourPop Strawberry Shake palette. It's just a bunch of pinks, a little bit of red, but mainly pink. I, of course, have got my favorite rainbow eye palette. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards palette. I swear on my life, if you just get one Anastasia palette, get this one. I love it. I use it far more frequently than I thought I would when I bought it. And then I also have out the Profusion Electric Blues palette. Beautiful. So let's get into it. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm going into the Electric Blues palette, and I'm going to take the shade Frisky. Beautiful. And I'm actually using a Profusion blending brush that comes in one of their bigger palettes. And I'm going to start mapping out a little bit of my crease. And then once I have it mapped out, I'm gonna go in small circular motions. And I'm gonna deepen that out a little bit. Could somebody please, I'm gonna go in with Waves for a minute. I don't think I've ever used that shade. Could somebody please just make me stop watching TikTok. I have a serious problem. Okay, not serious, like, not serious, but I do be watching TikTok pretty much anytime I have a free moment and I feel comfortable to have my sound on. Did I just blame that way too high? Yes, I did. Is it gonna be okay? Abso-freaking-lutely. It's fine. I'm gonna go in with Enigma, which is a navy. I'm kind of pouncing this on my outer corner. And in that like C shape. Yeah, just like that. I don't know, I'm hoping this is not like overly similar to my quarantine blues look because I'm using the palette I used for that, but I think it's gonna be okay. We're gonna switch it up. It's gonna be different. Scrubbing out this brush that I used in that video because yes, I have not washed my brushes since then. I should probably wash my brushes, but that actually worked really good. Anywho, I am going to take Dive. Cannot remember if I need my brush wet or not. Let me try my finger. Okay, finger's definitely the way to go here. I'm just gonna take my exact same finger. I'm gonna take Idol, which is a way lighter, prettier blue. I mean, they're both pretty. And I'm just gonna layer that right over it. In my head, that went so much nicer. I'm gonna take Enigma again. And I'm just gonna repeat the same situation I was doing before. If you think this looks a little whack, don't worry, we're gonna fix it. I am actually gonna take this and stamp just a little bit, no added product, just whatever was left through my crease, just to add a little tiny little bit of definition. And now we're going to do a little clean it up because this is looking a little crazy. I'm going to, you can definitely use a makeup wipe, a baby wipe, whatever you want to do. I use a towel because I have zero regard for my skin. Please don't do that. And I'm gonna clean up the top here a little bit, and definitely in this little corner. Already feeling it a lot more. Okay, I'm gonna catch up my other eye. Is that where I want to end this right now? Yeah, I'm gonna catch up my other eyeball. I'm gonna throw on my face makeup and some eyebrows, and then we will be back to finish out this look and incorporate way more pink. And it's gonna be great. I'll see you in like 10 seconds. We're back. I'm feeling a lot more put together. I don't know what it is. Every day when I put on my eyebrows, 10 times better. Immediately. Okay. Yes, I have foundation lips, and no, I don't care. It's totally fine. Okay, so lower lash line. This is serious. I'm trying to decide what I want to. I know what I want. I don't know what shade to use. I want to do a pink lower lash line. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take Texas Made, which is just this matte hot pink, and I might layer a little bit of Take a Sip, but it's shimmery. I don't really want to shimmer on my lower lash line, but it's okay. Before we do that, I'm going to tightline quickly. This is just the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. I'm watching, for one, I watched the announcement video that came out like last week, I think, from Robbie DeChristie. I probably should have said that before. About her announcing that she's pregnant. I'm taking Texas Made, and we're just gonna do our lower lash line. But I totally relate to her because yeah, I have a baby now, but I also struggled with infertility. Oh, I like how that looks. Also, if you ever like notice that I put like a little on the end of my lower lash line with whatever color I'm using, it's seriously because I need it to do my winged liner. Anywho, I totally relate to her because I have a baby now, but I have PCOS, and like literally minus the fertility treatments, I have that same story. I was told when I was way younger that I would not have children without fertility drugs, and the likelihood of me being able to carry that baby to full term was slim to none. So I'm really relating to her, and I'm so freaking excited that she's pregnant. I'm sparing this down pretty low, like way lower than what I wanted. Are they even? No. But I'm so excited, like not that you guys should like go find James on social media and ask him, but like I watched that video on my phone while James was watching something on the TV, and I literally almost started crying. Like tears were coming. It was so weird to me because I don't know, it's just insane, and I completely understand what she's going through. Granted, I didn't take my test at home. I didn't know I was pregnant. I had no idea I wasn't gonna test. If I hadn't, I have a video on PCOS if you guys want to go back and watch that, and I kind of want to do a story time on me finding out I was pregnant. But anywho, if I hadn't have hurt my back that day, I would have never known I was pregnant. I'm scared to know how far along I would have gotten before I was like, you know, I might be pregnant, because it never ever not once crossed my mind that I could be pregnant. I never would have tested, so that is like really good. I found out like super late, she found out super early, but like I'm watching her Q&A video now, which is like almost an hour long, and I think I'm like halfway through it. I am so excited for her and her husband Zach. Like, I'm so excited, and I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's incredible, and it is an amazing experience, and I'm so happy she's getting to go through it. And like, I think her and Zach are gonna be really good parents. Really good parents. So, but I relate so much to her story. I was told I couldn't have kids. I didn't do fertility treatments or anything like that. They did put me on orthotricycline, which they put me on orthotricycline and orthotricycline light, which is just an oral contraceptive, a birth control pill, but they gave it to me to level out all my hormones, to force me to ovulate, and to force me to have a period, because I only had like a period maybe once a year. So I totally relate, and I'm just so freaking excited for her. All I did right there was put a Maybelline Lash Sensational on my top lashes, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put on a pair of Demi Wispies, and I'm also, why did I do my mascara first? Girl, I got to talking. I'm going to add a wing, and I'm going to cut it out because I have on mascara now, and that might prove a little difficult, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be fine, and I'm gonna be right back with my lashes done. We're back, feeling fresh. So all we have left to do is lips and a highlight on our inner corner, and for that I think I'm gonna take Delish. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take Delish out of the, I'm blinding you, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take Delish out of the Strawberry Shake palette very carefully, because that is hella powdery, I'm noticing. Yeah, that'll do. I'm feeling it. I'm going with it. And for lips today, obviously our eyes are a little intense, so I'm gonna take my all-time favorite nude lip combo. This is Jeffree Star's Mannequin and Buxom's White Russian, and this is more of a like brown peachy nude, but I think it's gonna be okay. All right, and the final thing is setting spray, of course. Oh, I just opened my eye again too early. So this is the final, the fuck is my hair doing? this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching along with me, and I am so freaking excited that I am excited to film again. My hair is doing weird shit today, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, we do a giveaway every 500 subscribers. I just realized my thing is turned off. Hold on. You can't even read what it says. This is why it says thank you in my initials. But I am gonna get off of here. I will see you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.